welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 5th, 2025, and we're diving into Palantir's Q1 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Palantir has certainly delivered an impressive report this quarter, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Palantir reported a revenue of $884 million for Q1 2025, marking a 39% year-over-year growth. John, what are your thoughts on this performance?
Palantir's revenue growth is quite remarkable, especially with the U.S. revenue surging by 55% year-over-year. This indicates strong demand for their software solutions, particularly in the U.S. market. Additionally, they reported an adjusted EPS of 13 cents, significantly beating the forecast from 8 analysts.
That's impressive. How does this performance reflect on their profitability?
Palantir's profitability is also on the rise, with a GAAP net income of $214 million and an adjusted income from operations of $391 million, representing a 44% margin. This shows that they are not only growing their top line, but also managing their costs effectively.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. Palantir's strategic initiatives seem to be paying off, especially in the U.S. Can you elaborate on their market expansion efforts?
Absolutely. Palantir's U.S. commercial revenue grew by 71% year-over-year to $255 million, while their U.S. government revenue increased by 45% to $373 million. They closed 139 deals of at least $1 million, and their total contract value reached $810 million, up 183% year-over-year. This indicates a strong foothold in both commercial and government sectors.
What does this mean for their future growth?
These numbers suggest that Palantir is well-positioned for continued growth, especially with their focus on expanding their customer base and increasing the value of their contracts.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. How is Palantir managing its operations to support this growth?
Palantir is demonstrating strong operational efficiencies with $310 million in cash from operations and an adjusted free cash flow of $370 million. Their Rule of 40 score increased to 83%, highlighting their ability to balance growth and profitability.
And what about their future outlook?
Palantir has raised their full-year revenue guidance to a 36% growth and U.S. commercial revenue guidance to a 68% growth. This optimistic outlook reflects their confidence in sustaining their growth trajectory, driven by the increasing adoption of their AI-driven solutions.
CEO insights and strategic vision. CEO Alexander C. Karp has been vocal about Palantir's strategic vision. What insights did he share in this report?
CEO Alexander C. Karp emphasized that Palantir is delivering the operating system for the modern enterprise in the era of AI. He highlighted the tectonic shift in software adoption, particularly in the U.S., and expressed confidence in their strategic direction by raising the full-year guidance.
How does this align with their long-term goals?
Palantir's focus on AI and enterprise solutions positions them as a leader in the industry. Their strategic vision aligns with their long-term goals of expanding their market presence and enhancing their product offerings to meet the evolving needs of their clients.
Key takeaways. In summary, Palantir has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and market expansion efforts are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Palantir's investment prospects?
Palantir's robust financial performance and raised guidance make it an attractive investment opportunity. Their leadership in AI and enterprise solutions, coupled with strong market demand, positions them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Palantir's performance in the comments below.